What's up guys, so here I have a 10 by 10 board and I have Tetris. This is an O tetrominoes. This is a Z tetrominoes. This is a T tetrominoes. This is an this is an L tetromino, and finally this is an I tetromino. So I have 25 each of these, and which one could I tile onto this 10 by 10 board, or rather which of these 25 tetrominoes respectively can tile into a 10 by 10 board. So off the bat, this one definitely can. So I will have a black one, a white one, a black one, a white one, like that. So I will have 13 blacks O tetromino and 12 white O tetromino. I can tile it into a 10 by 10 board. So this one definitely can. Now let's look at T tetromino. Can a T tetromino tile into 25 T tetromino can tile into a 10 by 10 board. So we will use this checkerboard here. So here we have 50 whites and 50 blacks. However, if we tile it in, you can see that each T tetromino covers 3 blacks and 1 white. No matter how I rotate and translate it or reflect it now, as you can see here. So each T tetromino covers an odd number of black and odd number of white. However, here we have a total of even whites and even blacks. So this T tetromino is impossible to tile into 10 by 10 board even though you have 25 of it. Okay, now we look at the Z tetrominoes. Z tetrominoes is rather trivial. So as you can see, if I tile here, this space will not be tiled, right? If I rotate it and tile it like this, and I translate it upwards, you can see that this space is not tiled. Then, right, if I reflect it and do the same for all, right? So you can see this space is not tiled. Okay, so Z tetromino is quite trivial. It is impossible to have 25 of them tiled into a 10 by 10 board. Next, we have the I tetrominoes. We'll look at in this board, right? Okay, so here we have 26 black, sorry. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 5, 10, 6 black. So if I put this here, this I tetromino anywhere, even I rotate it, it will cover one of the black tile only, right? As you can see here, no matter how I rotate and translate it, it will always cover one black tile only. So I have 25 of these, right? I have 25 of these, meaning I have 25 black tiles. But here we have 26 black tiles, meaning this we have it is impossible for 25 of these I tetromino to tile into 10 by 10 board. Okay. Lastly, we look at this L tetromino. We will use this board here. As you can see, we have 50 whites and 50 blacks, right? So if I tiled it like that, we'll cover 3 black and 1 white, and no matter how I rotate it, we'll do the same thing. And if I translate it, it will cover 3 whites and 1 black. So you can see. So no matter how I rotate or reflect it, it will always cover an odd number of white and odd number of blacks. However, here we have an even number of whites and even number of blacks, meaning this L tetromino, even though we have 25 of it, it is impossible to tile it into a 10 by 10 board. And there we go, this is the only answer. The O tetromino is the only tetromino that can tile into a 10 by 10 board if you have 25 of them.